This product was provided by Ava of Norway for review. This is the Ava Master P80 pressure washer. It's the large bundle. As you can see, it comes in a big box. It's quite heavy, around about 30 kilograms, and you need to be aware that it is quite awkward to carry around and handle. So if you order one of these things, be expecting it to arrive in a large box, and it might be worthwhile asking someone to give you a hand to carry it in. But it's very well packaged. At the time of me making this video, Ava have only been producing this machine in the UK for 2 or 3 weeks. So although this says large bundle, if you order this off Amazon, say, it's actually listed on Amazon as the standard bundle. Now I think that will change as time goes by, because I think they've had quite a lot of teething problems sorting everything out to switch over from Norway to the UK. So just be aware that if you're trying to order this from Amazon in the UK, you won't find large bundle at the moment, you'll find standard bundle. And the way to check it is to go on the Ava website, and they've got a list of the bundles. If you scroll down on the page for the Master Series, you can see what comes with what bundle there and compare it to what you're looking at in the UK. Hopefully I've explained that well enough for you. But we'll just have a quick look at the packaging. So the sides and the front and back of the box are identical. This is the bottom, and I thought this was a nice little touch, just telling you that you need to open it from the other side. Once you've opened up the box and got inside, there's a little bit of advice there, and 3 photographs to explain how to attach the water filter. So that's the packaging. So I'll take everything out of the box and we'll see what we've got. So inside the box, obviously we've got the Master P80 pressure washer, complete with hose and hose reel. It's worth noting that the UK model comes with a UK 3-pin plug, the zero force gun, the Vario nozzle, which is a variable fan, the turbo nozzle, water filter with the hose connection, and one thing I like about that is you can actually see the filter, so you can tell whether it's getting clogged. The zoom lance, and this extends and retracts. This is the foam lance. The only assembly required for this is to drop the hose in like so and screw the bottle on. A set of instructions and some technical specifications, and one thing you need to be aware of: if you flip this over, there's a little rod there, and I assume it's for clearing any blockages in the nozzles. So the only assembly that's required, other than putting together the foam cannon, is to actually screw on the water filter, and this just needs to go on hand tight when you read the instructions. That just screws onto the bottom there. There we go, that's good enough. So all the accessories are bayonet fittings, so they're quite easy to assemble. Just push in, twist, and then there's a locking collar there. So that's the gun and the lance assembled. So to fit the nozzles on the end of the lance, again, it's a bayonet fitting. It's just push in, twist 90 degrees, and then lock this collar. That stops it from coming out of the lance, which it won't anyway, but it's just a little bit more secure. Very simple. Take it off, wind the lock back, push in, twist, pull it out. It's as simple as that. So you can mount all the accessories directly onto the power washer, and I think that is a brilliant touch. As you can see, we've got the lance and the nozzle connected there. Foam lance. If I turn it to the side, you can see you can mount the cable, and there's a cable tidy that comes attached to the machine, so you can keep that up out the way when you're moving it around. And then if I go around to the other side, you can see there's the other nozzle. So that will give you an idea of how it arrives and what's in the box. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.